Hi, hello everybody. This is your channel Standard 8 Max Priya. In this video, we are going to see exercise 1.1. So now look at your seventh sum. Using average, write three rational numbers between 14 divided by 5 and 16 divided by 8. So we are going to find out the rational numbers between these two rational numbers. Okay, and we are going to mention three rational numbers between this. Okay, so before writing between numbers, what we want to find it out, the denominators should same. Is this same? No, it is not. So first we are going to bring out the same denominator. Later we are going to find it out the three rational number. So 14 by 5 and 16 by 3. So what is the LCM between 5 and 3? Your LCM will be 15. So 14 divided by 5 and 16 by 3. So in 5 tables 3 times. So both numerator and denominator should multiply by 3. In your 3 table it is 5 times. 14 3s are 42 divided by 5 3s are 15, comma 16 5s are 80 divided by 15. Now find it out the three rational numbers between 42 divided by 15 and 80 divided by 15. So we all now the denominators are same, isn't it? So now we can write any three rational numbers between these two numbers 42 to 80. Okay, we can write any three rational numbers between 42 by 15 and 80 divided by 15. So what shall we write? Any of the three. Okay, 43 by 15, 44 by 15, 45 by 15. Okay. Next, move on to your eighth question. Verify that minus of minus x is the same x. So the given x value is x equal to 11 by 15. They are asking us to find it out whether minus of minus x is equal to x, the same value we are getting or not. Okay, we are going to verify that. So what is the x value? X first subdivision, x equal to 11 by 15. So x equal to 11 by 15. What they given? Minus of minus x equal to this minus of minus inside minus. So what is your x value? I am going to substitute this x value here. So 11 divided by 15. So minus into minus plus 11 by 15. So is this same value you are getting? Yes. So it is, yes, it is true. Then your second subdivision, x equal to minus 31 by 45. Okay, your formula is minus of minus x equal to, in your formula minus of minus, what is your x value? Again minus 31 by 45. Now just multiply. So minus into minus plus this 31 by 45. Again, if no sign means what is present? Plus. So minus into plus, again minus 31 by 45. Is this same x value? So yes, it is same. So minus of minus x equal to, so what is this value? Minus into minus is plus. So here plus x equal to minus 31 by 45. We got the same answer. Okay. So look at your ninth question. Rearrange suitably and add. So minus 3 by 7 plus 5 by 6 plus 4 by 7 plus 1 by 3 plus 13 by minus 6. So what they are asking? They are asking us to rearrange. Okay. So how we are going to rearrange is, look at all the denominators. If you are getting same denominator, first pick out all the same denominators first. Then you write the separate one. Minus 3 by 7. For which number you are having the same 7 denominator? Plus 4 by 7, again plus 5 by 6, this plus 13 divided by minus 6, then remaining last value is plus 1 by 3. So now we rearranged, isn't it? So what they are asking, and add. Okay, so first you find it out for the same denominator, minus 3. So minus 3 by 7 plus 4 by 7. So take 7 as common, minus 3 plus 4, here 2 plus 5 plus into minus minus 13 whole divided by 6 plus this 1 by 3. Now just you subtract it. 4 minus 3 is 1 by 7. Minus 13 plus 5 is minus 8 by 6 plus 1 by 3. Now all the denominators are again differs. Okay. So now take LCM for all these three number. 7, 6 and 3. So 7 ones are 6, 3. Again in 3 tables. 2 times 1, 2. Okay, now multiply. 7 3 is a 21. 21 2s are 2 2s are 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 42. So your LCM will be 42. In 7 tables, how many times 42? 7 6 are 42. Here 6 7s are 42. In 3 tables, how many times 42? 14 times. So 3 14s are 42. 1 6 are 6 minus 7 8s are 56 plus 14. Okay. Which is equal to, first you add the same number. 6 plus 6 and plus 14 is 20. So minus 56 and plus 20 whole divided by 42. What is 52 minus 20? It is, so minus 8 divided by 9. What number should be added to this number? So plus x to get means your answer. Your answer will be 2 by 5. Okay. So x equal to this 2 by 5. So minus 8 by 9, if I bring it to this side, it become plus 8 by 9. Now take LCM for 5 and 9. Here LCM will be 45. LCM is 45. So x equal to 2 whole divided by 5 nines plus 8 divided by 9 5s. So x equal to, now multiply 2 8s are 6. 2 9s are 18 divided by 5 9s are 45 plus 5 8s are 40 divided by 45. X equal to 18 plus 45, 40 is 50. 8 divided by 45. If you could cancel, we can cancel it, or if not. So I am going to cancel it in 3 table. 3 ones are, will it goes? No. So if not, you leave as such. Okay, so your answer will be 58 divided by 45. Now look at 11th sum. Subtract minus 8 by 44 from minus 17 by 11. From, so after from you take the first number. Minus 7 as first number. Minus 17 by 11 minus of minus 8 by 44. So since I given subtract, I mention here subtraction sign. So minus 17 by 11 minus into minus plus 8 by 44. So what will be the LCM between 11 and 44? Here LCM will be 44. Okay. Minus 17 divided by 11 fours are. Here 8 by 44 into 1 time. 17 fours are. Okay, some fours are 28, remaining 2. 4 ones are 4, 4 plus 2, 6. 44 plus 8 by 44. So minus 68 plus 8. So take LCM as common. Whole divided by 44. Now just subtract it. Minus 68 plus 8 is 60. Minus 60 by 44. Now cancel it in 2 table. 2 30s are here. 2 22 times. Again cancel it in again 2 table. 2 15s are 2 11s are. So your answer will be minus 15 by 11. Now look at your 12th sum. Evaluate 9 by 2 into minus 11 by 3. 9 by 2 into minus 11 by 3. So for multiplication we can do direct cancellation. Either it in cross or numerator and denominator. Now I am doing cross multiplication. 3 ones are 3 3s are. If there is any number to cancel here, no. So you just multiply numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. 3 11s are minus 33 divided by 2 ones are 2. So this is your answer. For your second sum, second subdivision, minus 7 by 27 into 24 divided by minus 35. Okay, now I am cancelling this 7 and 35. Minus minus get cancelled. 7 ones are 7 5s are 35. Again 24 and 27 I am going to cancel it in 3 table. 3 8s are 24, 3 9s are 27. Is there anything to cancel? No. If not, you multiply numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. 1 8s are 8 divided by 9 5s are 45. This is your answer. Clear? Your 13th sum, first subdivision, divide minus 21 divided by 5 by means whole divided by minus 7 by minus 10. It will get reciprocal. The number will get reciprocal and the division will become multiplication. Okay. Now, is there any number to cancel here? Yes. So, minus and minus get cancelled. 7 ones are 7 3s are 21. 5 ones are 5 2s are. Is there anything to cancel again? No. So, your answer will be multiply this. 3 2s are 6. So, this minus will be as such. So, your answer will be minus 2. Minus 6. Sorry. Okay. Now, your third subdivision. Minus 2 by means whole divided by minus 6 by 15. Okay. So, minus 2 is your whole number. Okay. I am taking this minus 2 as it is. If the denominator is again in rational number, if I bring it to the numerator, what will become? It get reciprocal. So, into this division will become multiplication. So, 15 divided by minus 6. So, again minus and minus get cancelled. 2 ones are 2, 3s are 6. Again 3 ones are 3, 5s are 15. So, your answer will be 5. Okay. Your second subdivision, you just try by yourself. Now look at your 14th sum. Simplify 2 by 5 plus 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 10 as a rational number and show that it is between 6 and 7. So I am just writing the number alone. 2 by 5 plus 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 10. So whenever they given bracket in any of the numbers, first we should solve only the brackets. Okay, first what we want to take? Only the brackets. So what is between inside your bracket? 2 by 5 plus 3 by 10. So your denominators are differs. So if I want to bring the denominator same. So what shall I do? We want to take LCM. So what is the LCM between 5 and 2 is? LCM is 10. So 2 by 5 2s are plus 3 divided by 2 5s are. So this divided by 3 by 10 is as such. Now multiply 2 2s are 4 by 10 plus 3 5s are 15 by 10 divided by 3 by 10 equal to. So now the denominators are common. So whole divided by 10, 4 plus 15 divided by 3 by 10. Again add the numerator. 4 plus 15 is 19 by 10 divided by 3 by 10. So how can we write this number? 19 by 10 divided by 3 by 10, right? Instead of this divide, I am mentioning divided by, whole divided by this 19 by 10. I want to bring it to this to the numerator. So what it become? It gets reciprocal. So 10 by 3. Now cancel 10 ones are 10 ones are. Is there anything to cancel here? No. So just multiply numerator to the numerator, denominator to the denominator. 19 ones are 19, 1 3s are 3. So this is your answer. So what they are asking is rational number as a rational number and show that it is between 6 and 7. So this is a rational number, isn't it? So yes, it is a rational number. So what we are asking, we want to show that it is between 6 and 7. So your answer will be 19 by 3, isn't it? So I want to bring it out. It is between 6 and 7. So how can we write between numbers? First we want to divide this number. 19, 3, 3 6 are 18, remaining 1. Convert this into mixed fraction. 6, 1 by 3. Okay. So now just draw rational number, this number line. So we want to find it out. The whole number is 6. So here is your whole number 6. So how many partitions we want to divide? 3 partitions. Okay, 1, 2 and 3. Because in your denominator there are given 3. So I am going to divide this by 3 partitions. And what they are asking us to mention your first partition, that is 1. So from 6 to 1 is, this is your 1. So what is your answer? 19 by 3. Is this between 6 and 7? Yes. Now look at your 15th sum. Write 5 rational numbers between which are less than minus 2. So minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, it goes on. Okay, what they are asking, we want to write 5 rational numbers, that too less than minus 2. What is less than minus 2 here? Minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, and it goes on, isn't it? Minus 7, etc. So from this we want to write it any 5 rational number. So what is your any 3 rational number? Minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7. They are asking only 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is your answer. Clear? So for your 16th and 17th sum, I will give link in your description box. Okay. Thank you.